Welcome to Those Who Glamp Together's Meal Prep. So a lot of times we camp with other campers that we kind of prepare foods together, kind of understand what we're doing. And since we're not full-timers, we wanted to get some things done. We're meeting up with Cruisin with the Colemans, Brian and Michelle. And if you know anything about Cruisin with the Colemans, they are fantastic cooks. They love to cook. Their food is glamping. So we're going to bring a little dish to the table for the first night that we're together. Just an appetizer. So I saw these online. They're called shotgun shells. So what you'll need is some ground sausage, manicotti, bacon because it makes everything better. And then we're going to use some onions, some jalapenos, spice it up a little, green pepper, a blend of rub that you like, barbecue sauce, and for the final touch, also we're going to put some cheese in there, and then a queso dip just to dip these shotgun shells in as you eat them. So what we're going to do first, we're going to get this meat, and we're just going to put it in our mixing bowl. 1 pound right here. After that, we're going to take this jalapeno. As you see, I got the seeds out. Mince it to as tiny as I can get it. Actually, I think half of this might be enough. So we're going to continue this for all of our vegetables. Alright guys, now we've finished chopping all of our veggies that we're putting in there. And I will say, I've seen this done so many different ways. There was no a green pepper in the one I saw, but we like green pepper. So we're going to put, you can pretty much put whatever you want in there. And I'm using a rub we got from Silver Lake called Billy Bones. And this is their competition blend. Alright, so now I got some of the mixture all mixed together. Now I'm going to add my cheese. And you can do it however you like. We like things to be a little cheesy, you know. Basically forcing the mixture down into the manicotti. So we're going to get through all these and we'll be right back. So what we're going to do now is I've laid down bacon, I've stretched it a little bit so I don't have to use 2 pieces. It's important for me to use 1 piece so it crisps up better. So I'm just going to take my manicotti. Get it out of here. And I'm just going to roll it on. And I'm just going to cover this whole piece of manicotti. Roll it a little tight. You know what? Even if it just flips over the end, just like so. A shotgun shell that we're going to smoke when we get to the campground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in here, and then we're going to refrigerate them. And when we get to the campground, get the smoker out. It's going to take about 2 hours. I'm going to smoke them at 225. All right, we're going to get the rest of these wrapped. Here's what the finished product before we cook it looks like. We're going to put them in the fridge, let them get a little firmer, and I think it's going to be really good. So. So the shotgun shells are done, the smoked shotgun shells, so we're going to give it a taste. I mean, it looks pretty good. Cut through it here. Definitely worth doing. So we're at Caesar Creek. Came down here to meet up with Cruisin with the Colemans, and they are cooking dinner for us tonight.
Since we have a rainy weekend, we are driving over to their house because this will give us a way to get out if it lets loose.
They're parked quite a ways away from us anyway.
Unfortunately, we didn't get next to each other.
Probably
because somebody forgot to book a site. I did get one on Tuesday.
Yeah, a little last minute.
Yeah,
really.
I just watched it.
Maybe it was Wednesday.
Yeah, I watched it, and was able to grab a site, so.
There you are. Good morning. So we had a really good night last night, just hanging out around fire with Brian and Michelle. But they're not early birds, so we're gonna go get some breakfast.
It rained all
It
last
rained
night.
all night. Actually, tornadoes around the area.
Yeah, but not here.
Not here.
Thank goodness.
No.
We are going to hike the Horseshoe Trail. It's 1.7 miles, and it has a suspension bridge, which we've been wanting to do a suspension bridge because of our KYD
Yeah, the Summer to Remember.
Summer to Remember.
And we're gonna kind of help these guys get started on their training for the Camino.
Sorry. Their first
all good.
1.7
It's all
miles
good.
of their Camino.
1.7 miles.
We're going to talk you guys into hiking
I will
across
do
Italy
it.
with us.
Tracy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Tracy, how are you?
Hi, nice
So
to
guys,
meet
this
you.
weekend has been like food heaven. Brian made an amazing loin yesterday, pork loin with apples and rosemary, not infused, but stuffed, right?
Stuffed.
Stuffed, yeah.
Yeah.
And we got ribs tonight, so whatever you like, your favorite food, hashtag foodies unite, and let us know.